Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making a Neapolitan Icebox Cake. This quick and easy no-bake dessert is something I make all summer long. It uses fresh strawberries, chocolate sauce, whipped cream, and graham crackers. Let me show you guys how to make it. So if you guys are unfamiliar with an icebox cake, all it is layers of cookies, whipped cream, and other toppings. And then when you put it in the fridge, it kind of like melds together and it becomes like a cake consistency. It's so quick and easy and there's no baking required. So today we're making my Neapolitan Icebox Cake because I have these amazing fresh strawberries from my farm box. So we're gonna start by lining a 1-pound loaf pan with parchment paper. Now this step is super crucial because we're going to create like a parchment paper sling that's going to allow us to just easily lift out the cake so you have no problems getting it out of the pan. So once we have our parchment paper in our loaf pan, I like to just clip it down with a couple binder clips. Now we're gonna set this aside. So now we're gonna slice up our gorgeous strawberries that we have. And we're just gonna cut our strawberries into thin slices. So now we're gonna set our strawberries aside and we're gonna get a stand mixer or hand mixer. So I always like to use my stand mixer whenever making whipped cream because it's just so much faster than the hand mixer, but you guys can use either one. So we're gonna add in our heavy whipping cream. Next, we're gonna add in our sifted powdered sugar. And then of course, the vanilla extract. Now we're gonna whisk starting on low to avoid splattering. Then you're gonna gradually increase the speed as the mixture starts to thicken. Continue to whisk until you have stiff peaks. So now that we have our whipped cream ready, we're just gonna get the rest of our ingredients that we need for this Neapolitan icebox cake. So for the cookies, I'm using organic graham crackers. I like the Annie's brand. I think they're the best. That's what we use at my bakery. And then we have our strawberry slices already cut. And then I have my homemade chocolate ganache sauce. And this is just like a chocolate fudge sauce. You guys could use store-bought if you want, but I just think homemade is so much better. I'll link my recipe in the description. And if you guys are gonna make it, just make sure you make it ahead of time. I like to do it the day before. So now we're just gonna break up some graham crackers and layer them as evenly as we can into the bottom of our loaf pan. And so you may need to break up the graham crackers a little bit to get a somewhat even layer, and that's totally okay. Next, we're gonna add in 1/3 of the whipped cream and spread it out evenly. Next, we're gonna add a layer of sliced strawberries. And then we're gonna drizzle chocolate sauce right on top of the strawberries. Now we're gonna repeat this process 2 more times. Graham crackers, then whipped cream, strawberries, and chocolate sauce. And then for one final layer. And then I like to add just a little bit of crushed up graham cracker right on top. So now that our icebox cake is all assembled, all we have to do is let it chill in the fridge for at least 6 hours or overnight. And now our icebox cake is ready to serve. I like to cut this into 8 slices. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy dessert recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.